Oh baby, baby, I'm coming for you. I heard that you're mad, so mad.
So before I go,
There's something crazy inside of me too. We're born to be bad, so bad. Don't wait a minute, this bed should have you up in it. Come show me what I've been missing. What you waiting for? Where I see it, I'm blocking all of my reasons. It's only you that I'm needing. Baby girl, love so. Why, your love is so. Why, I don't know how you do it. You got me going stupid. Your love is so wild, so wild, so wild. Your love is so. Why, oh your love is so. Why, I don't know how you do it. You got me going stupid. Your love is so wild, so wild, so wild, so wild. You got me shaking with every move. You just how I feel something changing. Do you feel it too? Two beats in the night, Don't wait a minute, this bed should have you up in it. Come show me what I've been missing. What you waiting for? Where I see it, I'm blocking all of my reasons. It's only you that I'm needing. Baby girl, love so. Your love is so. I don't know why you do it. You got me going stupid. Your love is so wild, so wild, so wild. Your love is so. Oh, your love is so. I don't know how you do it. You got me going stupid. Your love is so wild, so wild, so wild, so wild, so wild, so wild, so wild. So wild, so wild, so wild. Baby, your love so.
in consideration. So the video stopped a while ago, so I have to start it back. So in consideration, as I'm catching up. So I'm on my way. The person told me to come and look at it at 12 o'clock. So it's not too far. So first job, I'm going to see if I would take it or not, or if I can manage it by my own myself, because if it have to take like about 2 days to do it, I don't know if 2 days is I'm thinking of just if I do it 1 day it's profitable, but if it's 2 days it's not profitable, and I'm looking to either charge somewhere between 354, depends, and she might cry. So it's a basement and a garage, and how I know her, she has a lot of stuff. So guys, I'm gonna pause the video because I don't have anything inside here to and I don't want to hold the phone in my hand while I'm driving and then cops see me and that's a charge. So when I get there, I will start back the video if that's okay with you guys. Alright, I'm on my way. Yes guys, I have reached. My phone is acting up. I made a mistake and paused it, and while it was there driving, the phone get hot and shut down. So if I have to start back the video, what I was saying back over, just let me rephrase back what I was saying. I just got my first job to come and look at, cleaning job, basement and garage. So I don't know what to expect. I know the person might have a lot of stuff. I don't know what to charge. It's a acquaintance, somebody I know. So my car is not, it's a big SUV, but I don't know if I can use it. If not, I have to rent a U-Haul to do one trip, and I'm hoping that it take 1 day, not 2 days, because if it has to take 2 days, it's not going to profit me. You understand? And I don't know who to call to help me. I have a friend, she do cleaning too, but I don't know if she has the time will come and help me. And you know, when you call somebody to help them, you have to pay them, and that would be, you know, you'd have to charge more money, you know. So I'm in a little pickle right now, so I'm going inside. I'm at the place. I'm going inside to go and look at the work, and doing a video for work that needs to be done.
The boiler room is bad too.
Oh, don't tell me the boiler. Oh my God. So I'm just checking the work. Oh my Jesus. Oh. You believe years ago I worked in this place. I did the basement work. All this work, painting, and this was a nice unit. Fix up everything, even the boards moving out on the floor. Hi.
Jada, look, I caught another moth.
Even the boards are moving out.
Look, let's check that one. It's clean.
It was nice 2 years ago.
Huh?
It was nice.
Yeah, because you guys wrecked it.
Not me.
Oh, no, not you. You don't do anything. So all of this was nice, painted up and everything.
Wait, I'm going to show you something.
What?
Look what they did. The mouse.
So the mouse do that?
Yeah.
And there's my pool over there.
This is more than just mouse. This look like somebody send juju for you guys. Yeah.
I used to look, I have a moth. It's bad.
This is like juju.
I think.
But this is like overrun.
Look at it. The ladybug.
Oh my God, guys. Oh, let me go back. Let me come. Let's get up. Let me take one more look in the basement. So guys, my first job. How much you think I should charge for this work? Oh my God. It's a lot of work. Cleaning up, guys. Hey. So, there's a stench odor. Guys, look at all this garage. All of this last year before was pretty good. Everything was packed in places because I helped work on it, guys. And look at it today. Tell me how much you guys think I should charge. It's a massive work, guys. So I have to go and analyze this video and this work and see. So everybody is just you guys. It's just you babysitting, right?
No, Jose is upstairs.
Oh, Jose upstairs, and he didn't come down and greet me. So why the kitchen is like this? Why you don't tidy up the kitchen? Get up, turn off the TV. Come and tidy up the kitchen. Wash up the dishes. Put them in the. You guys have dishwasher, right? It's broken too.
About that.
It's not working.
There's like mold going in the dishwasher.
In the dishwasher. So you get some Clorox and bleach and spray it and do a cycle.
And I think that.
Wash up the dishes, man. Clean up the house. What's going on here? This place never used to stay like this.
There's a leg.
What's going on? You have to really talk to your mom. No, seriously. It's like her life falling apart, man. This is not Beffy. Hey, and the yard. Why the yard is like this?
It's good. No, it's your mom who puts the garbage in there.
Jesus, no.
We only Your mom did the garbage.
This is a massive cleaning, guys. Whoa! Come, start cleaning up the place. Come, help her. Take up the papers and stuff, and the cushion.
How is it?
God.
But it's not because this day.
I would have to. I'm gonna call her when I come. I might come back later. Yeah, I will come back later. And make sure when I come back later, the kitchen is clean. Okay? Alright, guys. And upstairs is okay. Jose. He's sleeping. Who's that? Come and let me see you. What are you doing? Okay. All right. Talk to you guys later. All right. No. This is not right, guys. So, she has to give me a contract to do this work every week. Every week. The yard, all of these, has to get a truck, come, cut the yard. All of this has to throw away. The bed, the mattress, the chair, all of these things. And the yard. This lady life was good, and it's like it just deteriorated. What happened? What happened? So, guys, when I get home, I have to finish this video back. It's my first job, and it looked like it would be my last because it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, guys. Don't come outside. Close the door and stay inside. Alright, guys. I have to figure out and sit down. What am I going to do with this job? So, guys, look at around here. Look at the side of this house. So all of these bikes that is here, you know, has to be taken up. Jesus, I don't know. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Guys, tell me how much you think I should charge. I'm heading back home. See you guys. So yes, guys, back from looking at the first cleaning up job. It's more than what I thought, guys, and it's a house that I did work on. I renovated the basement and put in new cupboards, the decor, the fridge, the TV, everything was good. Flooring, everything was good. The garage that you guys see, we made those shelves, we painted the garage, we made those shelves. Everything was packed, everything was neat. Nice garage, everything was put away. And the yard was cut, the yard was good, everything. And look at the yard. The yard is full of garbage and all of these guys. There's one thing I can say in this video. And you might tell people these things and nobody believes you. But when a man is taken away from a home, it goes messed up. No care what anyone say, a man needed in a home. Worse when you have a lot of kids. A man does make the home function properly. But today, the black woman, because they come and live in a Western world and they got the Western world teaching, and they forget about the culture and they forget about where they're coming from. This is what happened. You see, as I tell the kid, get up and clean up the place, she just get up and started doing it. She's not my daughter. But when a man speaks, he speaks with authority. When a woman speaks, the children question if I should or if I not should. I mean, you have some strict moms out there, don't get me wrong. But a man is what sets certain things. And 2 years ago, when I went to the house, I did my due diligently. The house was nice, kept clean, and was good. And I always see that house, I don't know, man. It questioned. There's a lot of question is in my head. So, you know, I just say it's got to be some kind of juju, because there's a lot more to what I'm not gonna say, because people is entitled to their privacy, and there was a breaking up. That's all I can say. There was a breaking up, and there was a fight for the house, and one person didn't want to give it up, and one person win the house, because it's here in Canada, the woman always get the house. So, you know, both of them comes from overseas. They're Africans. I'm not going to say which country they come from, but they're Africans. So, when she said the house is fester with rat and mice, you know, and when I go and see the amount of droppings, that is like there is like the whole. You ever see you remember the story with the Pied Piper with the mouse, the rats? It's something like that. Because I can bet the other houses around and the yards and the place didn't look like what I'm seeing. You know, so guys, tell me how much you think I should charge. And should I take this job? Because I can't do this work alone. It's a lot. And it's not going to take 1 day or 2 days. I'm looking at this taking almost a week. And then I have to go and rent a U-Haul truck. And I have to pay to dump all of these stuff. So tell me, guys, $1,000, $1,500, what do you think? Because I can't charge $200 or $300 for this. In no way. And I just called my friend and I was talking to her about it. And she's like saying, I wanted her to help me. And she said she's not going to come and help me. So I don't even think I should take this job. I don't think so. So I will do a part 2 of this video. If you guys interested, I will do a part 2 of the video to let you guys know if I took it or not. So that's for me for today on this episode of this video. So guys, tell me, first job, and I don't know if I'm going to take it or take it. I don't know. So tell me, you guys, what you think and what to do. I'm waiting for you guys' comment. So before I do anything, okay? Thank you guys. Appreciate you. This is your boy Andrew out.